What you're looking at is the AR rest, made by a company in North Carolina called Montie. More information is available to you if you're interested. www.montie.com. This is a lightweight gun rest. They also sell a one called the X rest, which is just a shorter version of this. They also have the lightweight version of both of these. It's basically a lightweight gun rest. It's much more convenient than taking the sandbags or a traditional heavier shooting rest to the range. You can leave it in your range bag or your gun bag. It comes with new rubber pads for the bottom of the legs. The weapon that I'll be using this with is a Bushmaster XM15 E2S. It's a 5.56. It has a Aimpoint CompM4s, GG&G backup sights. It also has in it a Osprey OPS 416 gas piston conversion kit. And I'll be firing Federal XM193 rounds.
Yeah, they were talking about prison.